Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. The first part we have done of 7th lesson, mashallah, and this is the second part. In this lesson you will learn ila, ma'a, indi, the new words. Yeah. And we learn grammar using TPI. You know it well, mashallah. Total physical interaction, so it's easy, interesting and interactive. Now repeat it with me with actions. You remember first point? No, today just you yourself with action. Do it. I just say. I would love to say it. Hear it. Perfect. See it. Think it. And say it. Show it. Love it. And do it together. Excellent. Excellent. So you remember Arabic words are of 3 types: noun, verb, particle. Like al, we use al in Arabic instead of the article in English grammar, according to the English. And we add the un, in, at in the end of singular to make it plural.
No.
So this is the past lesson. Now huruf. B means in. Like a'udhu billahi, I seek refuge in Allah. Billahi, in Allah. So B means in. And yes, fi means also in. Fi means in. Ala means on. On. Like ana ala saqf, I am on the roof. So ala means per, on something. Revision. These 3 huruf prepositions are repeated 3,401 times in Mus'haf, mashallah. In Quran, these 3 huruf are repeated 3,401 times. So let's repeat one time. I just say and you have to do it with action. He means
him.
He means his.
His who?
Yes. No. This is he now. He. Like be he, fi he, and all.
Okay.
Yeah. This is equal to who and similar to who. But sometime because of prepositions, there is no dhamma, no upside down dhamma. There should be a standing kasra. A standing kasra. I mean this one. This symbol. This one is strong. So this is he. He means his.
Be he.
Yes, he means his.
Yes, his.
And him means there.
There, yes.
There. Him means
there.
There. Ka means
your.
Your.
You. Your.
And
yes,
ye
your.
means
Me.
My. Ye means
My. Kum, yours.
And kum means
Your.
Na means
Me.
No.
No. We all.
Yes, na means our.
Ours.
Yes. So like let's repeat it with B and fi and ala. B means in, like Bismillah. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. You remember that, I think. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. So be he in his. Yeah. No, in him. Be he in him.
Be he in him.
Be him in them.
Be him in them.
Yeah, do the action. Your right side, not the upper side. This should be like.
Yes. Be he.
Yes.
Be him.
Be him. Bika. In you.
And you.
Be.
In
In me.
And me.
And bikum.
Bikum,
in you all.
in your all.
Bina,
Bina,
in us.
in us.
Okay, and now repeat with fi, fihi,
Fihi,
in him,
in him.
fihim,
Fihim,
in them,
in them. Fika,
fika, yes,
fika,
fika, in you,
in you.
fiya,
Fiya,
in
and
me,
me.
with
In me.
with index finger, one finger, in me,
Yes, in me.
and fikum,
Fikum,
in you
in
all,
your all.
fina,
Fina,
in us.
in all. In all.
And now ala, assalamu alaikum, you know, assalamu alaikum, ala means on, so alayhi,
Alayhim,
on him,
on him.
alayhim,
Alayhim,
on
on
them,
them. On them.
alayka,
Alayka,
on you,
on you.
alayya,
Aliyah,
on me,
on me.
alaikum,
Alaikum,
on you all,
on you all.
alayna,
Alayna,
on us.
on us.
Today's
On us.
lesson, we have divided every lesson into small units for practice breaks. Let's see what is it. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
All praise and thanks be to Allah. On your smile. So this is the first one. Ila. Ila.
Ila,
And yes, when we join it, he, him, when we join it with he, him, ka, yi, kum, na, so it will be like ilayhi, ilayhi,
ilayhim,
yeah, to him,
to him.
ilayhim, to them,
Ilayhim, to them.
ilayka,
Ilayka,
to you.
to you.
Yes, let's repeat with me. Ilayhi,
Ilayhi,
ilayhim,
ilayhim.
ilayka,
Ilayka,
ilaykum,
ilaykum.
ilayya,
Ilayya,
no, ilayka, ilayya, ilayka,
ilayka.
ilayya,
Ilayya.
ilaykum,
Ilaykum,
ilayna.
ilayna.
And where is used the word ila, you can see here, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi, inna ilayhi. When we listen any bad news and some sudden situation, we say inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. So yeah, if there is an unfortunate story, so after hearing, we just say, and we should say inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, for regret, that we are regretful. And inshallah ta'ala, we hope that if we say it, and if we make it our habit, so Allah Almighty will change the bad situation into good situations, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, the second one is ma'a. Ma'a means with. Ma'a means with. And
With
the word is used in ayah, inna allaha ma'as sabirin. Inna allaha ma'as sabirin. So
sabri,
ma'ahu, with him,
with him,
ma'ahum, with them,
ma'ahum, with them,
ma'aka, with you,
ma'aka, with you,
ma'i, with me,
ma'i, with me,
ma'akum, with you all,
ma'akum, with you all,
ma'ana, with us.
ma'ana, with us,
So ma'a means with.
with
Ma'ahu, ma'ahum,
ma'ahu, ma'ahum,
ma'aka, ma'i,
ma'aka, ma'i,
ma'akum, ma'ana.
ma'akum, ma'ana.
So is that clear?
Very clear.
Okay, third one is inda. Inda means also with. Inda means with. Like
with.
yeah, like we say kam riyalun, kam riyalun indak, kam riyalin indak, you know riyal as well. So
Uh,
yeah, we just ask many time about
mhm,
something that come like kam darrajatin
mhm,
indak.
mhm.
كم
Naam.
دراجة عندك, and كم سيارة عندك, كم ريال
Mhm,
عندك. We just ask how many
mhm.
do
With
you
them,
have?
with
Yeah,
you.
how many things, how many cars, how many bikes, how
Mhm.
many house,
Yes.
how many caps, how many jawala. You
Mhm,
remember jawala?
mhm.
Jawala means mobile. So how many
Okay.
jawala, how many mobiles do you have?
Mm,
And how
mhm,
many saatun, how many watch,
mhm,
how many watch do you have? So like
mm,
come real, and
mhm,
come shay. So
mm.
indak means
Kam,
do you have, and with you. Many
kam
times.
riyal, kam riyal indaka.
Yeah, how many reals do you have? Like,
Kam
so
riyal.
yeah. Uh, so indahu with him,
Mhm.
indahum
In the,
with them. Repeat.
in,
Indahu with him,
in the who with him.
indahum
In
with
the
them,
home with them.
indaka with
In the
you,
car with you.
indakum,
In,
indi with me,
in the with me.
indakum with you all,
In the kum with you all.
indana with us.
In the now with us.
Yeah, so indahu with him,
In the who with him.
indahum with them,
In the home with them.
indaka with you,
In the car with you.
indi with me,
In the with me.
indakum with you all,
In the kum with you all.
indana with us.
In the now with us.
Okay, and the
Mhm.
next one is fourth one is yes. This is like we speak in Arabic. So Arabic discussion, how to do it. If you want to
Mhm.
ask someone that do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? So
Mhm.
what to say? Hal inda. Let's see. Does he has a pen? Now we are talking about someone is standing there, and we don't have a pen, and we need it to sign something, to sign
Mhm.
an agreement and all. Uh,
Mhm. And you want to ask,
so
Hal in the who kalam,
wait a minute, wait a minute.
Hal in the so that those are the people. Hal in the who kalam. Yes, I don't know where it is.
Walaikum salam, beta. So now
Mhm.
when we ask someone that who is standing there, and you are asking a pen and you need it, so how to say, does he has a pen? So hal indahu qalamun, hal indahu qalam.
Hal in the who kalam.
Yes, hal indahu qalam. So na'am, indahu qalamun
Naam in the who kalam.
means yes, he has a pen.
Mhm. Yes,
He has a pen. So
have
hal
a
in,
pen now.
does he has a pen? Yes. So like
Naam,
I just say hal indaka qalam. The answer will be
naam
mhm.
in the who kalam.
No, indi. Now indi.
Okay, it's because I have
Yeah.
naam, naam indeed kalam.
نعم عندي قلم. Yes. So
Naam
هل
indeed kalam.
عندهم قلم؟ هل عندهم قلم؟
Hal in the who kalam.
هل عندهم, for all of
Hal
them.
in the home. If anybody have pen,
Yeah. هل عندهم قلم؟
kalam hal in the home kalam.
نعم عندهم قلم.
Naam,
نعم
naam
عندهم
in the
قلم.
who kalam.
عندهم
Yes,
قلم.
naam in the home
عندهم قلم.
kalam. So that means they have. هل عندهم
Yes.
قلم؟
Yes. So
نعم
هل عندهم قلم؟ نعم عندهم قلم.
عنده قلم.
Yes. And now هل عندك قلم؟
نعم
نعم عندي
نعم
قلم.
نعم عندي قلم. I
Yes. هل
have that.
عندك قلم؟ نعم عندي قلم. Wait a minute. Someone is knocking on the door, so I'm just coming back. Yeah. So هل عندك قلم؟
هل
هل عندك
عندك
sorry هل
قلم؟
عندك قلم؟ نعم عندي قلم.
نعم عندي قلم.
هل عندكم قلم؟
هل عندكم قلم؟
So the answer should
نعم
be with
نعم
action, with action, with action.
نعم عندنا قلم.
Yes, نعم عندنا قلم.
نعم عندنا قلم. So عندنا, that means we have.
Yes, we have. عندنا قلم. Yes, we have. Okay, the fifth, we have learned ربه, ربه, his Rabb.
ربه
ربه and ربه, ربه both of same.
Okay. ربه
ربه and ربه and ربها,
ربه ربها
ربها.
ربها.
Yeah, ربها and ربها, both of them are same. I mean the meaning are same. Now we do إليه, إليها, إليه.
إليه
Yeah, to him, إليه, to him.
إليه, to him.
إليها, to her.
إليها, to her.
Yeah, by your left hand. إليها, to her.
Yes. إليها, to her.
معه. Yeah, with him. معه, with him.
With him. معه, with him.
And معها, with her.
معها, with her.
معه, with him. معها, with her.
معه, with him. معها, with her.
With her. Perfect. عنده, with him.
عنده, with him.
And عندها, with her.
عندها, with her.
Yes. So let's do it now. Let's do it all together. إليه, to him.
إليه, to him.
إليهم, to him. To them.
إليهم,
No.
to them.
This is a mistake. Typing mistake here. إليهم, to them.
إليهم, to them.
إليك, to you.
إليك, to you.
إلي, to me.
إليا, to me.
إليكم, to you all.
Alaikum, to you all.
إلينا, to us.
Elena, to us.
إليها, to her.
Eleha, to her.
Yes. معه, with him.
Mahu, with him.
معهم, with them.
Mahum, with them.
معك, with you. Sorry. معه, with him.
Mahu, with him.
معهم, with them.
Mahum, with them.
معك, with you.
Maka, with you.
معي, with me.
Ma'i, with me.
معكم, with you all.
Ma'akum, with you all.
And معنا, with us.
Ma'ana, with us.
And معها, with her.
Maha, with her.
Now we do عند. عنده, with him.
Indahu, with him.
عندهم, with them.
Indahu, with them.
عندك, with you.
Indaka, with you.
عندي, with me.
Indi, with me.
عندكم, with you all.
Indakum, with you all.
عندنا, with us.
Indana, with us.
عندها, with her.
Indaha, with her.
Okay. And now the sixth one. إلى. إلى مع عند. So inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And ma is like in the ayah, inna allaha ma'a sabirin. And inda we can just ask anyone, indallah, indaka, and indahu. Test. Like I just say the word and you have to say it with action. Ilayhi.
With him.
Ila, ilayhi.
Ilayhim, with him.
No, ila means to. Ilayhi, to him.
To him. Ilayhim, to him.
Yes, and ma'ana.
Ma'ana, to us.
Ma'a means?
Ma'a, with us.
Yes, that's it. Ma'a, with us. And
with
indaka?
Us. Indaka, with him.
Indaka, ka.
To him.
No, inda means with. It's okay, it's fine. And ka means indaka. Yes, indaka. Ka, the action is it. Indaka.
Indaka.
Yes.
Indaka, to you.
No, inda means with. Inda means with.
Oh, with him. With you.
With you, yes.
With you.
Yes, indaka means with you. Indaka means
with you.
With you, yes.
You know what is the problem here?
Noise, very, very much noise.
I come to collect money, and the person is way to over there, and I'm here. That's why I say, if you so the lady is calling me for money.
So distraction and disturbing. And someone will look at you that he is calling me. Come here.
So
yeah, maybe the problem is okay. So revision system.
In the car.
Yeah.
To you.
With you. Indaka, with you. So
you.
Ilayhi, to him, and
Ilayhi, to
yes,
him.
Ma'ana, with us.
Ma'ana, with us.
And indaka, with you.
Indaka, with you.
So
indi, with me.
Yeah, indi, with me. And ma'i, with me.
My, with me.
And ilayya, to me.
Ilayya, to me.
Okay, let's do learning tip, revision system. Like in the last lesson, you have learned how the brain forgets things. I mean, if you learn 100 things, you will forget 70% of them in 1 hour. So you revise after 1 hour and 70% are gone next day, next week, next month, next semester. Now you will learn the system of retaining or not forgetting what you learn. If you do not want to forget, then your first revision after 1 hour, second revision after 1 day, third revision after 1 week, fourth revision after 1 month, and fifth revision after 6 months. Means there should be repeating. There should be a revision, and there should be you should repeat it more and more. So for every hour of study, you need to revise for 10 minutes. Every hour of study, you need to revise 10 minutes. If you have studied for 3 hours, you should spend at least 30 minutes for revision. If you have studied for 3 hours, you should spend at least 30 minutes for revision. To implement this for learning the Quran, we have introduced 7 types of homework. Of course, everything starts with Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Rabbi Zidni Ilma.
Rabbi Zidni Ilma.
Yeah. So easy method of revision. All of them are absolutely easy and practical. All of them are absolutely easy and practical. Everyone can do it. Everyone can do it easily.
Mhm.
MashaAllah, remember by the end of the 7th lesson, we learned 80 words which occur in the Quran almost 26,082 times.
Naam.
MashaAllah. So, may Allah, let's say, may Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. And in the end, we say and we read this dua, Subhanakallahumma. Read with me. Subhanakallahumma. You are mute. You are mute. I can't hear. So, Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. So,
Okay.
let's say Subhanakallahumma
Subhanaka Allahumma
wa bihamdika.
wa bihamdika
Nashhadu an la ilaha
nashhadu an la ilaha
illa anta
illa anta
nastaghfiruka
nastaghfiruka
wa natubu ilayk.
wa natubu ilayk.
MashaAllah, we have done this lesson.
Naam.
Alhamdulillah. And may Allah Almighty give us tawfiq to implement it, and to propagate it,
Amen.
and to memorize it,
Amen.
and
Amen.
learn and teach, inshallah.
Amen, ya Rabbi God. Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm going to continue to do this often. Shaa Allah. I think I will know, and that I want.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
So I will keep praying like we're praying God to accept.
Yeah, we should, inshallah.
Yes, no problem.